Hello, I'm Mr. D, Ambassador for Advanced Elements Kayaks, and I've been given the honor to give you a sneak peek of something that's coming to the market really soon, and that is the Airvolution high pressure drop stick technology kayak. The 12-foot 6-inch weight is, now get this guys, 32 pounds. Beam is 32 inches. It has a removable fin, and I'll tell you, they did not spare the expense in the design quality of this particular kayak. They've got rigging forward and aft, they got a removable fin, they've got hard handles forward and aft. I mean, this thing is beautiful. I even stood up in this kayak. I can't wait to get it on the water. Tomorrow morning I'm going out to a lake, and then the next day I'm going out to a river, and we're going to run this thing through its paces. So stay tuned, folks, and we'll be back in a bit. Well, guys, this is the maiden voyage of the Airvolution by Advanced Elements. Again, I want to thank them for giving me the opportunity to do the sneak peek on this thing. I'll tell you what, it launched well. It's actually so light, I can't believe it. This thing paddles so easy and tracks so straight. I'm absolutely amazed on how well this thing handles. It's like being in a hard kayak, to be honest with you. Man, I love the design, the way this thing tracks and responds. As you can see here, I'm just pulling along here, and this thing is just doing everything I want it to do. So we're going to get back, get a few more shots in here, and then tomorrow we'll be on Shingle Creek and doing some more testing in there, because that's got some more current. This is a typical lake, and there's no current and stuff like that. So tomorrow we're going to take it out on Shingle Creek and see how it does in current. So, hey, we'll be back in a bit. Do is stop. I want you to see how well this tracks. Yeah, straight as a dime. Well, hey guys, we are down here on Shingle Creek this morning, continuing our field test of the brand new Advanced Elements Airvolution. And the reason I chose this place is got some pretty good current, and it is definitely a twisty, windy, narrow creek, and it'll be a great test for this craft as far as handling and tracking and stuff like that. And so far it's been absolutely phenomenal. I love it. This thing is so well built and handles so well, and it's so light. I couldn't believe it. I threw a 12-foot 6-inch kayak on my shoulder and walked down to the launch site, and it's probably 25 yards or so, and it was like nothing. At 32 pounds, this kayak is actually phenomenal. So we're going to continue our paddle. I want you to enjoy some of the scenery here, and we're going to get some shots of the Airvolution in action. So hey, we'll be back in a bit. Well, hey guys, this is going to wrap up the sneak peek of the Advanced Elements Airvolution high pressure drop stitch 12-foot 6-inch kayak. Again, weighing only 32 pounds. And I'll tell you what, it's been an absolute pleasure to paddle. Today, I spent my time out on Shingle Creek because it's got a pretty good current, and I wanted to see how it would handle downstream. No problem at all, but coming back upstream, I actually had no problems. I mean, zero. This is a phenomenal boat, guys. Stay tuned for it. It's coming out real soon. And my understanding, it's going to be available through airkayaks.com. Well, guys, I got to tell you what my thoughts are on this particular kayak. Now, many of you that know me know that I own several kayaks. I've been in several kayaks. I paddled and pedaled several kayaks. The introduction of the Airvolution high pressure drop stitch kayak by Advanced Elements, I'm going to be honest with you straight up, it is the best kayak I've ever paddled, bar none. So hey guys, look out for it. It's coming very soon. We'll see you on the next one.